Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin by verifying essentials. Make sure the iPhone has power and a network connection because location needs data. Next, sign in at iCloud, com, or on another Apple device using the Apple ID linked to the lost phone. This authenticates you. Once logged in, open Find My. On the iPhone, it lives under your name in Settings, and confirm Find My iPhone and Send Last Location are on. This allows tracking and preserves the last known coordinates if battery dies. Once done signing in, open Find My and select the device. You'll see a live map pin if online, which shows the current or last known position. From there, choose Play Sound to locate it nearby, or enable Lost Mode to lock and display a message with contact info. This prevents access and helps recovery. If you need to go get it, tap directions to route there. If the device is offline, make sure Notify when found is enabled, and note the last location timestamp so you know when it was last seen. You should try to retrieve the phone in person first. Erasing is irreversible and prevents tracking. If recovery seems impossible or the device is compromised, choose Erase iPhone remotely to protect your data. This also removes your cards and sign-ins, but activation lock remains tied to your Apple ID until removed. If things go wrong, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID, that the device had network access, and that Find My was enabled. Try another device or iCloud, com, and contact Apple support only after verifying these settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.